Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah. This video was taken to fulfill the task in the research and development in ELT. So let's take a few minutes and look at how to identify a research problem. What is research problems? Research problems are the educational issues, controversies, or concerns that guide the need for conducting a study. Without knowing the research problem, readers do not know why the study is important and why they should read the study. In writing about the research problem, we can write in a single sentence or several sentences in a research report. You can find problems in the introduction to study. They are included in a passage called the statement of the problems. How does the research problem differ from other parts of research? The research problem needs to stand on its own and be recognized as a distinct step because it represents the problem in the study. To be understand research problem, you might distinguish them from other parts of the research process. The first is a research topic is the broad subject matter addressed by the study. A research problem is an issue or problem in the study. A purpose is the major intent or objective of the study. And the last is research questions are those that the researcher would like answer or address in the study. Distinguishing among the topic, research problem, purpose, and research questions. So this is an example of topic, problem, purpose, and questions, moving from the general to the specific. So we get the topic about distance learning. The research problem is lack of students in the distance education classes. And to study with this problem, we can reformulate the problem into a statement of intent. This is about purpose statement to study why students do not attend distance education classes at the community college. And the research questions is, does the use of website technology in the classroom deter students from enrolling in the distance education class? Determining whether a problem should be researched. So you can answer from some questions. Can you study the problem? Do you have access to the research site? Do you have the time, resources, and skills to carry out the research? Even if you can gain access to the people and sites needed for your study, your ability to research the problem also depends on the time, resources, and your research skills. Should you study the problem? Does it advance knowledge? If it doesn't, then you should not do the study. Does it contribute to practice? If it doesn't, then you probably need to look elsewhere. Quantitative and qualitative research. Tend to use quantitative research if your research problem requires you to measure variables, assess the impact of these variables on an outcome, test theories or broad explanations, and apply results to a large number of people. Tend to use qualitative research if your research problem requires you to learn about the view of individuals, assess a process over time, generate theories based on participant perspectives, and obtain detailed information about a few people or research sites. Five elements of a problem statement. So we can start from the topic. This is about subject area. And the next is social work issue. This is a concern, a problem, and something that needs solution. And then evidence for the study. This is based on the evidence from the literature or evidence from the practical experience. And the next is deficiency in the evidence. In the study of evidence, what is missing? What do we need to know more about? And the next is what remedying the deficiency will do for select audiences. This is about how will addressing what we need to know help researchers, educators, policymakers, and individuals such as those in the study. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.